Right, we got an awesome little campsite here all the way in the back with a great view.
Right, we got cooking some lunch right here. Gonna try out my new chair. Tomshoo lounge chair. Let's give it a shot. All right, let's give this a shot.
Gravity chair?
Yeah, it is a gravity chair. It's a gravity lounge chair.
Nice.
All right.
Wow, that's pretty good.
It's supposed to handle 350 pounds. We'll see what it can do. All right. It can handle 170, all right. Cheers. There's the Sierra Mountains right behind us. Not a bad backdrop. All right, small one. Another fish. We'll let this one go. He's too small. It does not look like I'm getting my new chair back. For two people is good enough for dinner and some lunch tomorrow. All right, some trout for dinner and some steaks. All right, the fish is being steamed in there. We got the steaks going. Fish needs just a little bit more, but man, it's looking good too. Okay, some salad to go with it. All right, trout is done. Surf and turf.